What's the meaning of contempt? Contempt. Contempt.
Contempt. Contempt. Contempt is a feeling of disrespect or disdain towards someone or something. It often involves a lack of regard for the other party's feelings or opinions and may lead to dismissive behavior or harsh criticism. Contempt can result in a breakdown of communication, damaged relationships, and a negative impact on one's mental health. It can also contribute to a toxic work environment, which can result in decreased productivity and job satisfaction. Overall, contempt is a destructive emotion that can have far-reaching consequences if left unchecked.